Hi everybody, it's Therese here with IELTS English Gurus, and today we're talking about paraphrase. What is paraphrase? Basically, paraphrase is using different words to say exactly the same thing. Why is paraphrase important? Well, it's important for IELTS because paraphrase helps you to become a better speaker, a better writer, and also it will help you with the reading passages in IELTS because a lot of the questions in the reading are paraphrases of the sentences in the text. So definitely using and understanding paraphrase will certainly help you to get a better band score in IELTS reading, IELTS writing, IELTS listening, and IELTS speaking too. Now in this video, I'm going to run through some very useful techniques that is going to help you to learn paraphrase and know how to use it. Please watch this video until the end so that you can definitely get a better band score, especially for IELTS writing. The first technique I'd like to talk about is word reversal. This is where you actually switch the position of the word. For example, we'll take the phrase sales of furniture. That can become furniture sales. What are we doing? We're just changing the position of the noun furniture to become an adjective before the word sales. In the same way, purchase of houses can become house purchase. Construction of roads becomes road construction. So basically, I'm just putting the noun as an adjective. For example, IELTS writing task 1. We're describing a pie chart. The number of students in engineering increased in 2018. I want to paraphrase it, so I say the percentage of engineering students grew in 2018. So I've changed students of engineering to engineering students. Basically just change the word engineering, the noun, to become the adjective. It's more concise and it's a perfect paraphrase. Let's talk now about synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. We'll take the word problem. Now, if you look in thesaurus.com, you'll find several synonyms for the word problem. Challenge, issue, difficulty. These words all mean the same thing. Let's look for a synonym for furniture. Sales of furniture becomes furnishing sales. So furnishing is a synonym of furniture. Houses. We can use property purchase instead of purchase of houses. Property is a synonym for houses. Construction of roads becomes route construction. Route is a synonym of roads. So in these phrases, I've used synonyms, but I've also switched the word position. This is the beginning of paraphrase. IELTS writing task 2. The purchase of houses is a problem for many people. Property purchasing is an issue for many people. The purchase of houses becomes property purchasing. That's a word switch. And the word problem becomes issue. You can develop your range of words and synonyms by reading and making lists of the words and synonyms. You can create this list on your computer word file or in a copybook and make sure that the words are related to common IELTS topics. The next thing is to change the word type. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that adjectives can become adverbs, verbs can become nouns. We're actually changing the word type. We're really switching things up. Example, sales increased slightly. I've said, there was a slight increase in sales. So you can see the verb increased becomes the noun increase. You can see the adverb slightly becomes the adjective slight. We use the expression there was to introduce this type of sentence, this noun phrase. This is how you paraphrase. So that is the technique to paraphrase. So you're changing the word type, you're using synonyms, you're using a new expression to say exactly the same thing. So another great technique is to go from the active voice to the passive voice. This is a clever technique that writers use to get a better band score in IELTS writing. Example, the man places the box in the truck. Change it to the box is placed in the truck by the man. To make the passive form, you just use the verb to be is or are, was or were in the past, plus the verb with ed. The object is placed at the start of the sentence, and you place the subject at the end, or indeed you don't use a subject at all. How do you know what the keywords are in a sentence? They're basically the main words, and they're often words that you can find synonyms for. So for example, the sales of furniture grew quickly in 2020. Those keywords are sales, furniture, grew, and quickly. These are the main words that you can change up. So for example, the sales of furniture grew quickly in 2020 becomes furniture sales developed rapidly in the year 2020. So what I've done is I've changed the word position. Sales of furniture becomes furniture sales. I've used a synonym instead of grew, and I say developed. I've used a synonym for quickly. I've used rapidly. And instead of in 2020, I've developed the expression into in the year 2020. Do you feel that you're better prepared now to paraphrase? I hope so. I've really enjoyed working with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.